Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a refreshing summer dish, soaked Mian Ou. Mian Ou is a traditional Chinese food made from wheat flour, shaped into hollow tubes. They are perfect for cold salads or hot pot. I've got about 12 pieces of Mian Ou here. First, let's soak them in warm water for around 2 hours. Depending on the type you get from different manufacturers, they might soft faster, so don't stick rigidly to the time, just feel it with your hands. While the Mian Ou is soaking, let's prepare the cucumbers. Slice it into fine shreds and spread it neatly across the bottom of the serving plate. Now let's make the magic sauce. This is called chewy sauce. 80% peanut butter mixed with 20% sesame paste. Perfect for cold dishes or hot pot dips. I've got about 2 tablespoons here. Now here is the key. Add just a tiny bit of water at a time. Then stir in one direction to help the water blend into the sauce. At first, it may look like it's getting thicker, but don't worry. Just keep adding small amount of water later by later, stirring patiently each time. After a few rounds, you will see the sauce turn super smooth and silky. Almost like a ribbon when you lift it with a spoon. To boost the color and depth of flavor, I'm adding half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. If you prefer a lighter taste, you can totally skip this. Next, in another bowl, add some chopped bird's ear chilies and minced garlic. Pour hot oil right over them to release that amazing aroma. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of aged vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, pour in the chewy sauce we just made. And finally, 1 tablespoon of chili oil to finish it off. This sauce is incredible. You can toast it with noodles, dumplings, whatever you like. Alright, after soaking, let's take a look. Here is a piece that's been soaked, and here's the one that hasn't. See difference? The soaked ones are soft but still springy. Make sure to gently squeeze out any excess water. Pour the sauce straight into the bowl with the Mian Ou. And now, use your hands to gently toast everything, making sure each piece gets fully coated. Sprinkle in a few cilantro leaves and give it one last mix. Now, carefully pile the Mian Ou onto the bed of cucumbers we prepared earlier. And there we have it. Beautiful, glossy, flavor-packed soaked Mian Ou. Let me have a taste first. Wow, this is intensely good. It's rich, savory, and slightly spicy, and the texture is satisfyingly chewy. Perfect for hot summer day, and you don't even need to turn on the stove. You're gonna try this at home? Thanks for watching. See you next time.